we're dealing with. All right. So if you want to fix this, all you're gonna do is,
During the video, you will see the picture of the tool I'm using for the project with its current price. Some of these tools come with up to 50% discount. It is very easy to get them. Just go to the description box of the same video and look for the name of the tool that you need. Right underneath of it, you will see the link which it's going to take you to Amazon so you can finish your purchase. The tools will be delivered to you within 2 days or next day. Amazing, huh? Get the right tool for the job now. Yeah.
come through over here. Hopefully you can see that. Right here. Yeah, this one. And this secret compartment, whatever you want to call it. Just lock pick it. Like so. All right. Then we're going to expose this to one. Oh, this one is loose. See that? So this is the main guy. I believe that one is going to be, let me see. All right, for this one, it's going to be T25. All right, we're going to tighten it. Jeez. This is a good thing about this ratchet though. You can tighten it like that. With your finger. Then when it's tight enough, you can do it. Normal. Like that. Alright. Take a look at the mirror now. It's not shaky. See that? Goody. Hope you like the video, guys. Huh? Any questions, put in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this secret compartment, whatever you want to call it. All right. You know what to do with subscribe, like, share buttons. Okay. Shout outs to subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Subscribe now. Get your subscription. It's for free. I'm gonna leave it right here. This was a 2007 Lexus RX350. Thank you for watching. Highlight your boy. Yeah, it's me, it's Stu. Boom.